Hi. Our food consists of three macronutrients and two micronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrate, protein, and fat, and micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate is a large molecule of glucose, whereas protein is a large molecule comprising of amino acids, and fats as fatty acids. Digestion is a process of breaking down these macromolecules into micromolecules, that is, glucose, amino acids, and fats. Mouth plays an important part because mouth has about 800 salivary glands. There are three major glands and 800 minor glands. They produce daily about 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva. Saliva comprises of enzymes like amylase and lipase and three antimicrobial compounds. They are lactoferrin, hydrogen peroxide, and lysozyme. So when you chew your food, you're breaking down them to smaller particles, and at the same time, you're converting 30% of your carbohydrate into glucose. And lipase is just the beginning of breakdown of lipids. Remaining digestive process for carbohydrate and lipids will be done in duodenum. Okay, so chewing food is important, because if you don't chew your food, then undigested carbohydrates will go and feed a harmful bacteria in your colon. Would you want that done? For today, if you understand this, it's great. Thank you. Bye-bye.